So if ever you come to a machine that isn't powering up, there's no power to it, check obviously that you got power going to your mains plug. Check the fuse in it. If the fuse is blown, then it's liable to be this EMI filter that's blown, on short circuit. But failing that, if it cuts out in the cycle, say it's trying to spin but cutting out, it could be your motor. If it's trying to drain, it could be your drain pump. Or if it's trying to select the solenoid but that's short circuited, obviously you can test them for shorts, test this for short, test your motor for short and your drain pump for shorts. You can also then test your pressure switch. And sometimes on your main board you can have a fuse in there as well, so but this one hasn't got one, but it's worth checking to see if there's a fuse on that. So they're the main power issues that I've ever come across, or no power issues anyway.